In the vast expanses of our world's oceans, a mysterious and enchanting marine mammal thrives, the dugong. This fascinating creature, often referred to as the sea cow, due to its herbivorous diet and slow-moving nature, holds a unique place in marine ecosystems and human cultural heritage. In this video, we will delve into the natural history, biology, behavior, ecological significance, cultural importance, conservation status, and challenges faced by the dugong. By understanding and safeguarding this gentle giant, we contribute to the preservation of marine biodiversity and the delicate balance of life in our oceans. The dugong, a member of the order Sirenia, is the only living representative of the family Dugongidae. It shares this taxonomic group with the manatees, another group of herbivorous marine mammals. Dugongs are distinguishable by their elongated, torpedo-shaped bodies, paddle-like flippers, and a unique feature, the presence of tusk-like incisor teeth, which are more pronounced in males. Their coloration ranges from pale gray to bluish gray, and they have a distinctive downturned mouth well adapted for grazing on seagrass beds. The distribution of the dugong spans across the warm coastal waters of the Indo-Pacific region, including the Red Sea, the Indian Ocean, and parts of the Western Pacific Ocean. They are known to inhabit shallow, protected coastal areas, estuaries, lagoons, and seagrass meadows. Dugongs have evolved a series of adaptations that enable them to thrive in their marine habitats. Their streamlined body shape, which resembles that of a cetacean or a fish, facilitates swift and efficient movement through the water. The paddle-like flippers, used primarily for steering and stability, are essential for navigating their shallow environments and seagrass meadows. Their herbivorous diet consists mainly of seagrass, algae, and other marine plants. They have a specialized upper lip that helps them grasp and pull seagrass shoots from the ocean floor. Despite their slow-moving nature, they are surprisingly agile grazers, consuming large amounts of vegetation daily to meet their energy requirements. Another unique feature of the dugong is its ability to dive for extended periods. They can remain submerged for several minutes, thanks to their exceptional lung capacity and efficient use of oxygen during these dives. Dugongs are primarily solitary animals, and they generally prefer the tranquility of their own company. However, they are occasionally observed forming small groups or aggregations, particularly during feeding and mating periods. Males may display territorial behavior during the breeding season, competing for the attention of females. In contrast to their slow movements on the surface, dugongs are proficient swimmers, capable of reaching speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, 24 kilometers per hour, when motivated. They are agile enough to navigate through dense seagrass meadows, a behavior that aids in both feeding and evading potential predators. The dugong's vocalizations, although infrequent, include chirps, whistles, and other sounds, which likely play a role in communication and social interactions. However, much remains to be understood about their communication repertoire. Dugongs are vital players in marine ecosystems, particularly in maintaining the health of seagrass habitats. Their feeding behavior helps control seagrass growth, promoting the growth of new shoots and increasing the overall biodiversity of these habitats. Furthermore, their digestion and excretion processes contribute to nutrient cycling, enriching the surrounding waters and fostering healthy marine communities. Seagrass beds, in turn, serve as essential habitats for numerous marine species, acting as nurseries for juvenile fish, shelter for invertebrates, and feeding grounds for various other marine animals. The dugong's presence and grazing activities create a dynamic balance within these ecosystems, contributing to the resilience and stability of coastal environments. Dugongs have played a significant role in the cultural heritage of coastal communities throughout history. Many indigenous and local cultures have myths, legends, and traditional stories featuring the dugong. Often revered as symbols of gentleness, wisdom, and harmony with nature, these creatures hold spiritual and cultural significance to many communities. In some regions, the dugong has also been historically hunted for its meat, oil, bones, and other body parts, leading to population declines in certain areas. Traditional hunting practices have been replaced by more modern methods, contributing to the conservation challenges faced by this species. Despite their ecological importance and cultural significance, the dugong is currently classified as vulnerable on the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, Red List of Threatened Species. Numerous factors contribute to the threats faced by the dugong: habitat loss, human activities, such as coastal development, pollution, and habitat destruction, have led to the degradation and loss of seagrass meadows, essential habitats for dugongs. Bycatch, dugongs frequently get entangled in fishing gear meant for other species, leading to injuries and mortality. Boat strikes, as dugongs inhabit shallow coastal areas, they are vulnerable to collisions with boats and ships, causing significant injuries and fatalities. Illegal hunting, despite legal protection in many regions, illegal hunting and poaching of dugongs for their meat, oil, and other body parts still occur. The conservation of dugongs requires a multifaceted approach involving governments, conservation organizations, scientists, and local communities. Several conservation initiatives and success stories offer hope for the species. Marine protected areas. The establishment of MPAs helps protect critical seagrass habitats and provides refuge for dugongs and other marine species. Community engagement, involving local communities in conservation efforts, fosters stewardship and sustainable practices, reducing hunting and supporting responsible tourism. Research and monitoring. Continued research on dugong populations, movements, and habitat usage provides essential data for conservation planning and decision-making. Legislation and enforcement. Strong legal protection, along with effective enforcement of regulations against hunting and habitat destruction, is vital for the species' survival. Dugong tourism has grown in popularity, presenting an opportunity for conservation. However, it also carries the risk of disturbing the animals and their habitats. Responsible tourism practices, such as maintaining a safe distance, limiting the number of visitors, and promoting education about the species and their habitats, are essential for minimizing negative impacts and supporting conservation efforts. The dugong, as a charismatic marine mammal, holds a crucial place in marine ecosystems and human culture. Its role in seagrass habitat maintenance and its significance in the traditions of coastal communities make it an essential species to protect. By understanding the biology, behavior, and ecological significance of the dugong, and by addressing the threats it faces, we can work together to secure the future of this gentle giant and ensure the preservation of our marine heritage for generations to come. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed the show, please subscribe and like the video. Have a good day.